I take a look outside, it's so beautiful. I love to watch the sunrise over the trees, and this is what I see. I'm so inspired by the sunrise. We're driven towards better times. You and me, we can leave it all to follow our dreams. Well, let's see. Until then, I'll keep moving. Gotta make progress to see improvement. Gotta lay down your sword and shield and realize. Ooh, so beautiful. Around here, this moves too slow. I got a lot to say, but not enough time to explain everything. It's a crazy world we live in today. Things are gonna change most certainly. Things are gonna start coming our way. Our way, yeah, yeah. Everybody just a hustling for some money. Times are tougher than they've ever been before, but I'm not stopping for anybody. People looking at me funny, and it's funny cause it makes me want it more and more. I severed every single tie except my work and my music. Sometimes it gets confusing and I feel like I'm losing it, but then I remember it's my path and I chose it. Did some math and exposed it. Now everybody knows it. Started out just a seed and grew into a tree. What's so deep you can't imagine going down that many feet. Now imagine the world without people in the street, a world without hate, a world full of peace, a world with no disease, no war, no casualties. I know that this is possible if we all just believe what's possible. Anything is possible to achieve in your life and in your mind. If you seek, you will receive, and in time you will retrieve what's been lost for so long. Capture a moment, take it home and then write a song. No, you're right from wrong. No, you're good from bad. Know that all good things will happen if we just stay positive, and it starts with this. Ooh.